Hi guys, I'm gonna explain how to make the Therian eyes made out of Scotch tape. Okay, let's start. We have to make it like the other. Look at this one. You need a marker, Posca Marker, and Scotch tape. Posca. With the Scotch tape, you have to do this. Look and learn. Oh, and scissors too. You have to trace the eye in the tape and cut it out. Just like I did it. Follow my steps. Now cut it out. Oop. Cutting. Put it on the eye. I used more tape because it was small. Now put tape behind not tracing. It will look like this. Now it's time for paint. Now Posca 1. Like this one. Oops. Done. Mine looks like this don't copy. Thanks for watching. Bye.